Good day once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are back together, right? And we are still continuing on that technical maths paper 2 exemplar from 2016, right? So, if you have not subscribed, please just make sure you're part of this family, all right? And we will continue to give you some great content. All right, so let's get right into it. So 6.1, they say quadrilateral ABCD. Now remember, by virtue of it being a quadrilateral, it means it has four sides, but we don't necessarily know what type of quadrilateral it is, right? So they say it is drawn below with AB parallel to DC, all right? They've indicated it there, and AD parallel to BC. So automatically that means that is a parallelogram. Now they're asking us, why is the quadrilateral ABCD a parallelogram? All right, because the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, right, so it has a pair of opposite sides. Right, two pairs rather of opposite sides. So the next question says, calculate with reasons the value of x. So what do we know about a parallelogram? We know that the opposite angles on a parallelogram are equal, but we also know that in this case it's got co-interior angles. So if I were to take angle A plus angle D, that's 180. But in this case we've got D and B. So I will say, well, angle D must be equal to angle B, right? And why is that? These are opposite angles of a parallelogram. All right, so that means 2x plus 20 is equal to 5x minus 40. Okay, so let's try and work this out together. So I'm going to take the 5x to the other side and the 20 to the other side. So I've got 2x minus 5x. Remember that it will change sign, right? So 2x minus the 5x, that will give us, in fact, let's write it down. 2x minus 5x, and this would be negative 40. This is what we already have here, right? When we take the 20, the positive 20 to the other side, it becomes negative 20. So what do we have? We end up with minus 3x and minus 60. So we can divide both sides by negative 3, and note, ladies and gents, we'll get x is equal to 20 degrees, right? So we found that x is actually equal to 20. Right, so that is really how the cookie crumbles for this question. Right, I'm going to go into the next one on the next video. For now, ladies and gents, I'll see you guys next time. Sharp.